Hey guys, today I want to share with you 5 of my favorite applications to watch my movies and TV shows, okay? Maybe, there's a lot out there, but for me, those are the 5 ones that I've been using. I use actually a little more, but I want to just bring you those 5 that I think those are ones that you most have in your Android devices, okay? For your TV box. So let's start, okay? So we're gonna go to Filelinked. If you don't have Filelinked already, I'm gonna leave a link from my previous video that I show you how you can get Filelinked, and I will leave it down in the video description. Okay, guys. So go check the video and get it, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Leave me a comment as well. Okay, so we're gonna jump into Filelinked. Just adjust it here. You guys can see it better. Yeah. So you're gonna put the code that you guys see here. I'm also gonna leave it in the bottom of the description. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna leave it on the bottom of the video description for you guys. So it's 421000878. Okay, guys. So after you get it, then we're gonna select continue, and we're gonna add the pin. My pin is 0411. Okay, and we're gonna select continue. Okay, here you guys are. Request from Android Wizard, please subscribe to our channel. Let's grow this channel. And we're gonna select dismiss. Okay, so here you have there's hundreds of APKs that I keep up to date for you guys. But for today, see, there's a free newsletter from the developer. If you wanna subscribe, you can subscribe. Otherwise, just dismiss. So first thing we're gonna do here is you're gonna select my 5 favorites. Okay, guys. So my first favorite application is Cinema HD. So I'm gonna select the one, and we're gonna let it load, and we're gonna select on the play button there, and now we're gonna just select install, and just like that, it's gonna download. And remember, guys, those are my favorites, my 5 favorites, but if you guys want to let me know which ones are yours, if I'm missing any one, and if you guys use something different, let me know. And yeah, so my second favorite one is Cyberflix TV. Okay, you're gonna select that one, and then we're gonna just select install. Guys, take a moment and just go down there and just smash that like and subscribe to the channel, please. Now we're gonna select done, and we're going back to the store. So my third one, okay, my third one is TTV. They just got updated to version 7.4. We're gonna select it, and we're gonna install it. There's some of them take a little bit longer than the other ones, but okay, we're gonna select done. You go back to the store. Then my third one, oh sorry, my fourth one is Megabox media box, okay, which was updated to 2.1.3, and we're gonna install it. Okay, select done, and we're looking at the last one. Let's see here, just keep looking here. It's this one here, video movies. Okay, so video movies. So we're gonna select and we're gonna install it. And we're done. Okay, so guys, so feel free guys to select, check more of the APKs here, and you can install anything you want. Okay, so let's go back. Let's get out of here. Say yes, go back and back. So here we have all the applications that we download. Okay, so my favorite first one, let's see here. Okay, give me a second here. Let's get missing one more that we're supposed to download here. Let's go back, continue, 0411, press back, and we select continue, dismiss, and let's go all the way to the bottom. So let's dismiss. And we're looking for a player here, MX player. You guys can use BLC as well, any other player that you like. You're gonna select on it and we're gonna install it. It's done. Okay, done. So let's get out of here. And let's open Cinema. If you guys didn't see my review for this APK, I will leave also a link from that video on the video description. Okay. This is one of my favorite ones because this one here scripts super fast, has a bunch of links, and this one also has the new releases, and I can go into my settings and I can choose my player, I can add my track account, and I can add as well my real debris. Okay, so this APK scripts super fast and has a bunch of links from 1080p, 720p. This is really good. You add you real debris and you track and you be set here. Okay, this one, Cyberflix TV, this one got updated too, and this one here is amazing as well. This is another clone from Tyrion TV, but this one is working really good. Okay, and here we have all your latest TV shows as well. This is like movies HD, Cinema HD. So you got all your categories here as well. So let's see, if you click one TV shows, then you go to season, you select your season there, the episode, let's just select OK, You select the episode, and then you go to the play button on the top right hand corner, and then just say okay again, and here you're gonna get your links where you guys can select your TV shows, the link for your TV shows. All right, so yeah guys, just select that and you will be good to go. So my third one here, this one got updated as well and is running really nice. I really enjoy this one here with the autoplay. This is really good. Okay, if you select a movie, and just play, you have your autoplay here in the bottom. I'll show you here, right in the bottom, and it's just gonna find the best link and then just do it for you. Okay guys, so you don't have to be worried about selecting links, and works really good. Okay, so let me just back. You have different categories here for your TV shows, and you can search for your TV shows. So far this is working really great. Okay, TTV with the new update is working really great as well. Okay, we're just gonna cancel that. And here you have it, guys. There's a lot to offer this. This is really good here. Pretty much are all the same kind of, you know, cinema and Cyberflix. You know, they all scrape. Select your movie. Let's do that later. Okay, might as well just do it now. It's just installing the dependency there on all the players. But if you select cancel, then it's gonna use the one that has build on it as well. Okay, just like done. Okay, so let's select the movie, and we're gonna just select play, and here is scraping, and from there you're just gonna get your links like the other ones as well. But this one also scrape really good and has a lot of links. Give a lot of 1080p, and then here you have no real debris, has nothing. So this is really good. Okay guys, so you just select the movie and you can play with different players, so with subtitles, or you just can play the movie. Okay, I'll leave it there so I don't do the video too long. Okay guys, let's get back. Let's get out of here. It's on the top here. Let me just show you this quick. So you have your settings here, and your settings you have your language. You can select for just show HD links. And let me see here. You have your real debris, which is nice. Here. Yeah, let's get that. Let's get out of here. Okay, and let me show you the last one. Video movies, guys. This is a new APK. and this one is really good. This one is one click. You have different categories here. Let's see, understand, if you want, let's say animation, you're gonna select here, see all. You have a little pop-up, just press back, and here you have all the movies here. You're gonna need a keypad for that. If you wanna go down, okay, I will leave one. If you wanna get it, I will leave the link on the bottom of the video description. Okay, so I want to see this movie here. I just select the movie, little pop-up, and just press back and play the movie. Okay, and just like that, guys, look how fast this thing is. Yeah, just like that, super quick. Okay, another feature, if you guys want have more options here, we're gonna select the 3 bars there. We're gonna go to categories here, and you have a bunch of categories here as well. Let's see here, let's bring it up, and here in the bottom, if you see, has 2018 movies here. If you select that one, it's a little pop-up, go back, and here you have all your 2018 movies here. You have a lot of movies here to pick for. So let's pick this one here. Make it quick. Pop up, just back, and you just play. Look at that, guys. That was even 3 seconds. Review. It's amazing quality. Okay. So if you want to add to your favorites, you can do it as well. If you want to add to your favorites, come here, you just add it here. Right now we have nothing, but when you add it, it's gonna be there. Okay, guys, so those are my favorites 5, but you guys can let me know which ones are your 5, and please comment, like, and share the video, and don't forget to smash the like there, and see you in the next one. Okay, guys.